Everyone, I'm Jeet Chandra, an international table tennis player from India. I'm currently number 9 in world under 21 men's singles ranking and also number 1 in India. Hey, I'm talking to Google magazine. I started playing table tennis from the age of 5, and I used to have a table at my home since my father is a national coach. So I practiced with him and I gradually started liking the game and took interest in it, and this is how my journey began. At the age of 8 or maybe 9, I started playing local tournaments, and then at the age of 10, I got selected in the state championship state team, and then I went to the cadet nationals in Indore, and me and my teammates grabbed a gold medal in my first ever national event in the team events, and then this is how I started playing it professionally. My inspiration is Cristiano Ronaldo. I follow him a lot from my childhood, and I like his aggression, dedication, and passion for his sport. Yeah, and I follow him a lot. His fitness, he's so dedicated to his fitness and his sport at this age also. Yeah, he is my inspiration. My table tennis has helped me a lot to improve my game. It has given me the opportunity to practice with the world top players, and sharing thoughts with them on table tennis is amazing. I can't express it in words. And it has given me the belief to that even I can compete in the world level. And you can see after the Ultimate Table Tennis started, our Indian senior players also started performing at the next level. They all started defeating more top Chinese and Japanese players, which is a great achievement for Indian table tennis. The iconic match of my life will be the final of the under 21 boys single in Oman Open 2020, because it was my first international singles gold medal, and it took me to the top 10 of the world in under 21. During the competitions, I listen to a lot of music, and I do meditation and visualization before the matches, and it helps me a lot to keep calm during the important matches. Right now, I am studying in second year of Bachelor of Computer Application in Chitra University. I currently practice in UTT SPTTC under coach Shomodeep Roy and with many other national level players. Father has been the most important person in my journey, because I used to play with him most of the time in my early days, and he used to motivate me a lot and tell me that I have got the talent and I can become a good player one day, and this helped me a lot, and my family was always supported me in my good and bad times and throughout this career, throughout this journey, and so I'm very much grateful to them. I will suggest all the growing sports person to follow the 3 Ds in your life, that is determination, dedication, and discipline, which are the most important principles of a career of a sports person. In this lockdown period, I have divided my workout schedule into 4 parts, that is core, legs, arms, and some yoga and meditation. I've been doing this 4 exercises in each day, I've been following this routine sincerely, and this is keeping me fit even being at the home. Life in quarantine is quite boring because there is no table tennis. But still, I am keeping myself busy by doing these workouts, and I also play a lot of mobile games like PUBG with my friends, and I'm watching a lot of Netflix series, and this is how I'm keeping myself busy. I will advise to all of you to stay home and stay safe in this lockdown period. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel.